What's up, YouTube? This is a completely pointless video, but I just wanted to show off how right I did this Miata. So first things first, tore it down to the bare block, honed it, new rings, bearings, gaskets, the whole 9 yards, painted the valve cover Cummins beige, new plug wires. It made 185 psi compression across the board, and what else? Oh yeah, it's an 01 short block with a 99 head. The old head was warped too bad, so I put a new one on it. Freshly lapped valves. I mean, the thing's mint. Because I learned my lesson in the past, it has all new water hoses from Treasure Coast. Look at that action. Look at that action. Oh yeah. New motor mounts. This thing's pretty serious. New timing belt, water pump, thermostat, radiator going in the car, and again, dipstick with the handle. That's pretty special to me. So it's gonna get connected to the trans with a fresh clutch between it. There's the before and after. And once it's all stabbed in, this is getting filled with some Motorcraft manual tranny fluid. Engine's getting new belts, and yeah, it's also getting new shift bushings, obviously, because you gotta have that crisp shift action. But here's another thing that's pretty special to me. Haven't done this before. Detailed and waxed the engine bay before I put the motor in, just for that extra wow factor. It's gonna be mint. Gunked down there at the rack and on the cross member or whatever. So again, pointless video, just wanted to show this off. Denso radiator, but yeah, stepping my game up big time. Usually just stab these bad boys in as is, you know.